Hi, my name's Matt and I'll be launching fresh car valeting in Harrogate, York and the surrounding areas. Yeah, I've always had a passion for cars. It's in the blood in the family. My father worked for a large motor manufacturer, so I've always had a passion for cars and for car detailing. Looking forward to being my own boss, getting on the road in my van and just looking after customers and building my own, but obviously client base, and just getting fresh name out there in the area and looking forward to working with them. So I actually worked as an assistant sales manager for a vehicle leasing company for the last 9 years, obviously predominantly office based, long hours, so looking forward to get out on the road and visiting people every day. I would say get onto the website, look at all the different services we offer, have a read through the customer reviews. Everyone's really obviously positive in the job we do, and pay close attention to the car club because it's a great service at the fresh offer, and obviously keeps your car looking clean month in, month out. If you're looking to make a booking, either log in online to our website or download the app, and I look forward to seeing you soon.